Okay, now let's create our script for our health item. So let's go to item scripts and let's create a new C# script, and this one is going to be our health item script. Okay, and this script we're going to assign it to our health item. Okay, all right. So let's go to our health item and let's create the variables. It's going to be a public game object. It's going to be our player, and let's make a private player health, and this one is going to be player health because we're going to call a function from our script player health. So let's make the initialization. So player is equal game object dot find, and let's say okay, find our player. Okay, great. And then player health is going to be our object player dot get component, and which one is going to be our player health script. Okay, so now let's save it and let's see if this is working good. Let's save the script and let's select our health item. So here in player we see none, and once we hit play we can see that okay, it got our player. Perfect. Now we need to make a getter and a setter for our current health, and our current health is in player health. So let's go to our player health and let's make right here, let's make our public int. It's going to be our current uh, current health. Okay, so we're gonna make his getter is return our current health variable. Okay, that's it for our getter, but we need to make a setter so we can update the variable. So set, okay, open braces, and we're gonna say if value is less than 0, what is gonna happen? Well, our current health is going to be equal 0, and else our current health is equal a value. Okay, so let's save it, and in this same script we need to make a new function right here that is going to be public void public public void power up health where if our current health is less or equals than 80, so what is going to happen? Our current health, we're going to add 20 points. Okay, and then what happens if our player has 90 health? We can't get more health, more than 100 health. So we're gonna say else if our current health is uh, less than our starting health, like 90. So what is gonna happen? that our current health is going to be equal that our starting health, which is 100. Okay, and now we need to assign the value of our current health into our health slider. So we say health slider dot value is going to be equal to our current health. Okay, so let's save it, and we need to call this function into our health item script. So we're going to make a new function, void on trigger enter collider other. Okay, so what is going to happen here? If other dot game object, oh sorry, with game object like this, okay, is what's happening here? Okay, is the same as our player, then what is going to happen? We're gonna call from our player health, we're gonna call the function power up health, right? And beside we need to destroy our game object. All right, let's save the script and let's see. Okay, what's happened here? Let me check. Dun, 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 dun. Let me see. Okay, I had an error here. Uh, I'm gonna cut this brace and I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, that's it. And this one. Okay, so let's save it and tin, 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 tin. Okay, now for testing I'm going to put my starting health to 50. So let's play the game. We are seeing 50. So I get the item. Now I got a current health and the object is destroyed. Let's see again. Okay, starting health is 50, but now right now my current health is not updating, but it will update once I get. So that's it. It is working, and now we need to make an audio clip for the item. So let's do it right now. Let's go to our audio folder, and in our, where are you, sprites? Okay, resource section 4, we have this health sound. So let's bring that sound right here. So we have this, our health sound, and let's go to our player health script. So here we need, we already have an audio source, so we just need to make a public audio clip. Is going to be pick item, right? And then we need to go to our power up health function right here, and here we're gonna say audio dot play one shot. Which one? Well, pick item, right? And let's save the script. Let's uh, let's select our player to see. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, and where are you? Player health. So here we have pick item. Let's assign our health sound. Okay, and now let's preview the game just to hear the sound. Okay, so yes, okay, all is working fine. And now, okay, we have our health item. So right now we're going to our prefabs folder, and let's make a prefab of our health item, and let's erase that item from the scene. Okay, now save the project, and that's it. So in the next lesson we're going to make a 3D object item for invincibility. Right, so see you in the next lesson.